You're trying to hear me?
Yeah.
Nah, dude.
Wow, you're so cool, bro. I don't think my viewers know, dude. You're like my role model. Oh my god.
You don't have to tell me. I already know.
I look up to you, dude.
I can tell.
You rep. Okay.
Jesus, bro. You're gonna get rear-ended.
Hold on, I'm bullshit.
Jesus, cowalicious.
I can't do it. I give up.
Hey, what up, Wildbird? Gee, what up, everybody? This is Brapaholic here. I'm riding again with my buddy Cowalicious. We got TJ with us again. We just fixed up his chain, so everybody's got smooth, lubed up chains today. We're going through a little bit of a cruise through town. I'm on the Grom. I still haven't gotten my tools to fix the wheel bearings on the Supermoto. So we're just gonna do a little town cruising and then go get some pizza. Just signal where you want to pull over.
Right here.
What? Okay. Oh yeah. Smells like burnt plastic, dude. Did you run over a bag?
Shut up.
So the other day, Cowalicious ran over a plastic bag. I told him not to do it because it'll stick to his exhaust. Come to find out, stuck to his exhaust. So how many times do you think we can get TJ's kill switch tonight?
A lot. He'll probably forget about it. We'll kill switch him and then he'll forget.
Well, don't kickstand kill switch him because that doesn't work.
Why'd you get in this lane, dude?
You told me to get in this lane. Whatever lane I'm in will then become the slowest lane. Dude, everybody loves the fucking Grom. You're so jealous of it. It's funny as shit. Special bike.
Yeah, damn right.
Like when your mommy says you're special when you're actually autistic.
Shitty wheelies up there. Like confident, bro. Get it. Yeah, I'm turning right.
I'm pretty sure I'm the only one in this group that has his endorsement.
Tell TJ to get a fucking fender. They'll put this back together. Oh god, you
Hey, look, a turkey.
There's my turkey, bro. What's up, bro?
What's
you
up?
just come here often. I told you.
What's up, Turks? That's a dead-end parking lot. Going to do some drugs.
Are they?
Going
That's
to do some
assuming, dude.
drugs. And just don't outrun me too much, because I can't speed. So. Alright, Cowalicious, you want some footage?
We might miss this light, so we need to go.
Go.
Right in front of the cop, though.
I don't care. He's not going to come after us for trying to stay as a group. Guess who's here, bitch? What the fuck is this idiot doing?
I have no idea. Because they're driving the nice new road.
Dude, this road used to be so bad.
Oh, I know. I drove down it plenty of times. Instead of right-hand turn signal.
Because you're supposed to only use your left hand. You're not supposed to. Oh god, gravel.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, like, watch you spill out, dude.
My fucking shit shakes side to side, that's for sure.
It's like, well, this is where I watch Brap die.
Just did. Haven't you seen that video going around on the internet of the sport bike guy dropping knee like just doing U-turns in the middle of the road? Yeah, why don't you do that?
I can't do that.
You can?
Yeah.
Do it.
Why? So I can hit some shitty gravel or slide out on my brand new tires?
Always an excuse, Cowalicious.
That's my bike.
Always an excuse.
You're so
You probably have like nightmares about gravel.
Yep.
Like gravel comes and like picks you up out of your bed and you're like, ah!
Yeah. So like you could ride behind a car. Oh
Yeah.
god. Oh god, gravel! That was scary.
You're such
so
a
much gravel.
scaredy cat, dude. There we go. I can't keep up with him though. The cop did?
Yeah.
Did you wave at him?
Yeah.
Oh, I never wave at those fuckers. But you wave at them because you're trying to be like, I wasn't doing anything wrong, I'm just being friendly. And they're like, and then they pull you over and try to fuck you. potholes are craters, dude. Alright, we're recording, guys. We just had some pizza for dinner. Woo, it's getting chilly out. Why are you always so mean to people? You're a bully, dude. Cowalicious is a big bully, guys. I'm gonna go bully him. I'm gonna grab his plate and just rip it off. You might want to actually stay in the lane, dude. To try to get these people to get tickets.
Yeah.
Like, I like to just fuck with them to the point where they like speed away or something, all pissed off and get in trouble.
I think he's behind us.
Shit. Oh, he is behind it. Whoa! I'm in neutral, bro.
Kill switch him. Kill switch him.
He put my kickstand down, but I was in neutral and like felt it, so I was like, well, okay. Watch out for biker bro, dude. Gotta bait him in with kindness and then kill switch him. Fucking cars that do this.
Yep, that was you.
He's like, I'm gonna get in front of all these motorcycles because I'm so fast off the line and I'm just gonna hold them up because fuck them, right?
Yeah. Yeah, dude. Getting it.
A wheelie and all your light just shoots up into the sky and you're just balancing in darkness. Thanks, bro. Oh, TJ's. Oh, fuck! I almost went to the curb. I was looking back and I look forward and I'm almost dead.
I'm gonna be like, bro, we're gonna go pick up babes in downtown. You wanna go? You wanna go pick up some babes in downtown? You got an extra seat so we can fit it.
Surprise,
yeah.
motherfucker!
I like didn't even have to try. I just like reached over all casually. Can't see anything,
I
dude.
know. I can see like all the gravel you're riding.
Damn, Cowalicious, that's fast.
Did he just wreck or did he do a wheelie?
I don't know.
Turn around.
Yeah, I still don't see him. I'm turning.
Oh, Jesus. Jay. Swear to God.
I didn't see.
Oh, he went.
There he is. You good?
He might have done a slow wheelie.
What?
Something just came out and hit me.
What hit? Like an animal?
I don't know.
Really? Like a deer?
I don't know. I thought it was this that broke off and flew up and hit me. Someone hit me straight in the face.
Like you hit a bird or some shit? Damn, dude.
How you died?
We like saw it, we didn't see it, we thought you died or something. Oh, I guess TJ just had like a turkey fly into him or something. Jeez.
Oh shit, what are you doing?
No! No!
I almost got you, man. Fuck off! Get the fuck out of here!
TJ's just like guarding all his shit.
Ram.
Trespassing forbidden, except unlawful business. I don't know. I'm not trespassing. I'm parking. I have a vehicle to park. I'm in the parking garage. No.
Watch, it's gonna stop blinking now. It's gonna be like,
It did, yeah. It doesn't know we're here.
Wait. Oh, it says you can walk.
What the fuck? That's not how this works.
You can walk, dude. Just walk.
This is fucking dumb, dude.
There's a couple.
Kids.
Yeah, they're definitely been drinking. What's that next to you?
What? That's a sprinkler.
No.
You were trying to kill switch me. I was like, no. Damn, that was gay as fuck. Dang, I see a lot of gay shit every day, but that was the gayest. Whoa, what happened here, man?
Dude, I took it off.
It did look pretty dumb. Be careful, dude. You're messing with stupid kids. You want to go to beat-ups?
I don't get.
I didn't take it. which is why he's not going to give us a ticket, because we're going 7 over when we're on motorcycles, obviously paying attention to what we're doing.
Yeah, that's gotta get you.
He doesn't give a shit.
Well, going 200 miles an hour down the highway, I'm obviously paying attention to what
See, you go from 7 over to 160 over. There's a big difference. All right, guys, I think Cowlicious and I are heading home. It's been a good day of riding. TJ almost died to some bird thing that he ran into, but thankfully he's all right. Yeah, we're calling it a night. It's getting pretty late. Cowlicious, he's got work in the morning, and hopefully I can get the Supermoto back up and running tomorrow. I should get my bearing press and be all set there. Yeah, if you guys like the videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and you know, toss a comment in. I like talking to my viewers. If you got any questions or anything you want to say, just throw a comment in. Chances are I'm probably going to respond to you. I enjoy talking to my viewers. I enjoy helping people fix problems they may have, so I'd like to hear from you guys. And until then, I'll catch you next time. See you!